Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a proper live photo. Make sure the live icon is on so the camera records motion. Hold the phone steady and move the subject slightly for a clear loopable action. Once recorded, open Instagram stories or Reels and tap to import from your camera roll. Choose the live photo. This early step matters because Instagram needs the live data to create a boomerang-like loop. Without it, you'll only get a still image. Now convert that live photo into a boomerang effect by tapping the image and pulling up the effects drawer at the bottom. Select Boomerang or Bounce. Boomerang alternates frames for a forward back loop, while Bounce plays forward then reverse. Trim the clip to pick the cleanest motion start and make small speed adjustments. This improves the perceived loop. Make sure to preview so you can see how frames interpolate, because smoother movement yields a more convincing boomerang. Finish by styling the boomerang. Add stickers, text, or music, then choose whether to save to your camera roll or share directly to your story or reel. Make sure quality settings are high so frames stay crisp. If you don't see motion, check that the original was recorded as a live photo and not exported as a still. When necessary, recapture with Live On or use Instagram's standalone Boomerang app to recreate the loop. This troubleshooting tip fixes most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.